Hello everybody, and welcome to what's in my Loungefly today. So I come to the parks almost 5 times a week, and I come with very specific things in my bag. So today my Loungefly is this one. I feel like whenever I make these videos I always have the same bag, but it's okay. So today this is what I have in my bag. My wallet. I love my lug wallet. This fits perfectly everything that I have. I have my gimbal Osmo 3 for any recording that I might do when I'm in the parks. So it's so handy, it fits in my bag. Sunscreen. My battery bank charger. Cords. Bracelets, hair clip.
Good morning, everyone. In just a few minutes, all of the lands of the Magic Kingdom will be opening. It's time to make your way to Cinderella Castle for a very special presentation.
It's going to be special. Hair clips. I have some Zycam because it's the winter months. Liquid IV, hair tie, Purell, or any hand sanitizer will do. More cords, more bracelets, another hair clip, fuel rod, another hair clip. Evidently I need hair clips. That's it there. And then sunscreen chapstick, lipstick, some Aquaphor, because you never know what you could need this for, and a card. That's it. That's all I have in my bag today. No umbrella, no poncho because we're not in a rainy season. But this is what I keep everything in this small little bag. They hold so much. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you keep in your bag that we would think that is unusual or we would think it doesn't fit. See you next time. Bye.